Have you ever wondered what it takes to become the world's first trillionaire? It's a question that tickles the imagination and challenges the boundaries of financial achievement. Today, even the wealthiest individuals on the planet are still quite a stretch away from reaching a trillion-dollar net worth. The journey from billionaire to trillionaire isn't just a game of adding zeros, it's about pioneering uncharted territories in wealth creation. To put things into perspective, becoming a trillionaire would mean surpassing the current frontrunners in wealth by a significant margin. It's not merely about accumulating wealth, but revolutionizing industries, influencing economic frameworks, and possibly reshaping societal norms. As we delve deeper, we'll uncover the pivotal strategies, the groundbreaking innovations, and the bold decisions that could potentially bridge this colossal gap. So what would it take to elevate from a billionaire to a trillionaire? Let's explore. Innovation drives wealth. Just look at the tech billionaires of our era. From Silicon Valley to Shenzhen, these visionaries didn't just work hard, they worked smart, creating products and services that redefined how we live. It's clear, to reach the heights of a trillion-dollar empire, groundbreaking innovation isn't just helpful, it's essential. Let's delve a bit deeper. In the realm of technology, innovations like the internet, smartphones, and artificial intelligence have not only spawned millionaires and billionaires, but have transformed societies. Each of these technologies started as a daring idea that seemed almost impossible at the time. Yet they have fundamentally reshaped every aspect of human life, creating vast opportunities for wealth. Moving on to biotechnology, this field is ripe with potential for those aiming to make a significant impact. Innovations in gene editing, biopharmaceuticals, and synthetic biology could very well be the next frontier in both improving human life and creating immense wealth. Imagine the possibilities of curing diseases that were once thought incurable or developing biotechnologies that can drastically extend human lifespans. Renewable energies also present a golden opportunity for groundbreaking innovation. As the world shifts away from fossil fuels, the race to develop efficient, cost-effective renewable energy sources is intense. Solar power, wind energy, and even more avant-garde ideas like tidal and geothermal energy could be the keys to not just a sustainable future, but a profitable one as well. However, it's not enough to just create or invest in these innovations. The true challenge is scaling them. To build a trillion-dollar empire, these innovations must not only work, but must be adaptable and scalable across different markets and cultures globally. They must address universal needs and be accessible enough to reach every corner of the planet. Innovation is crucial, but it must reach every corner of the globe to truly create a trillion-dollar empire. Mastering the art of investment isn't just about where you put your money, but also when and how. To reach the pinnacle of financial success, understanding the nuances of investment is crucial. Let's delve into the strategies that could pave the way to becoming the world's first trillionaire. First, consider the allure of emerging markets. These regions, often brimming with untapped potential, offer growth rates that more developed markets might envy. Investing in countries that are on the cusp of industrialization or are experiencing rapid technological adoption can be akin to catching a wave just as it begins to swell. However, it's not without risks. Political instability and economic fluctuations can turn promising investments sour. Thus, a keen eye and a deep understanding of the geopolitical landscape are essential. Next, let's talk about technology startups. These are not just small companies with big dreams, but potential disruptors that could redefine how we live. The key here is to identify startups with scalable models and groundbreaking innovations. Think about how companies like Amazon and Google started out. They were once small operations with big ideas which transformed into giants that dominate their sectors. Investing in the right startup at the right time could be your ticket to staggering wealth. Sustainable resources also present a compelling investment frontier. As the world shifts towards greener solutions, companies that offer sustainable energy, waste management, and eco-friendly technologies are becoming investment hotspots. The growth in this sector isn't just good for the planet, it could also be great for your portfolio. Diversification is another cornerstone of investment mastery. It's about not putting all your eggs in one basket. By spreading investments across different sectors and asset classes, you can mitigate risks and increase the likelihood of catching the next big wave. Let's not forget the importance of timing. The best investors aren't just those who choose the right assets, but those who know when to hold and when to fold. This includes understanding market cycles, investor sentiment, and economic indicators. Venture capital and private equity play pivotal roles too. They provide the necessary funding that startups need to get off the ground, and in return, they often reap enormous rewards from their early investments. Invest wisely and widely, but there's more to it. Let's find out what. Economic trends shape billionaires. Understanding them can forge a trillionaire. In the swirling vortex of global economics, certain trends stand out as beacons for those aspiring to reach the pinnacle of financial success. One such trend is the explosive growth of the digital economy. It's not just about buying and selling online anymore, it's about how blockchain technology is reshaping finance, how the Internet of Things is connecting the unconnected, and how digital platforms are redefining relationships between consumers and businesses. The digital economy is expected to reach a staggering 33% of global GDP by the end of the decade. Imagine the opportunities in creating solutions that harness this digital wave. Then there's the rise of artificial intelligence. AI is not just a tool, it's a game changer. From automating operations to enhancing customer experiences, AI's potential to boost economic productivity is immense. By the year 2030, AI could add up to $15 trillion to the global economy. For those with the vision to lead, integrating AI into your business strategy isn't just an option, it's imperative. Shifts in global economic power also paint a compelling picture. The economic axis is tilting towards Asia, with countries like China and India becoming central players in the global marketplace. This shift isn't just about where goods are made, it's about where innovations are created, where consumer markets are booming, and where new business models are being tested. Adapting to this shift means thinking globally, understanding diverse markets, and being where the growth is. But understanding these trends isn't enough. The real magic happens when you adapt these insights into a cohesive business strategy. It requires a global perspective, an agile approach to business, and the ability to foresee changes before they occur. Adapting isn't a one-time effort. It's a continuous process. As the world changes, so must your strategies. This is not just about being in the right place at the right time, it's about being flexible, informed, and ready to pivot whenever necessary. Aligning with economic trends sets the stage, but adapting continuously is key. Sometimes the last ingredient needed is a sprinkle of luck. In the pursuit of unprecedented wealth, luck isn't just a bonus, it's often a fundamental component. Imagine the serendipity required to be at the right place at the right time with the right idea. History is replete with tales of entrepreneurs whose fortunes were catalyzed by seemingly random events that aligned just so. But remember, luck favors the prepared mind. It's the prepared who can seize the fleeting opportunities that luck presents. However, while luck can initiate success, legacy is what sustains it. Building $1 trillion net worth means thinking beyond one's own lifespan. It's about creating systems, institutions, and ideologies that perpetuate wealth across generations. Consider the dynasties of old or today's corporate giants, whose foundations were laid decades, even centuries ago. These entities didn't just stumble upon wealth, they built infrastructures that would outlast their founders. This brings us to the essence of the long game. Long-term thinking is not merely a strategy, it's a mindset. It involves making decisions today that will not only benefit the present, but will also pave the way for future prosperity. This might mean investing in emerging technologies, embracing sustainable practices that safeguard the planet, or fostering a corporate culture that values innovation and ethics. Moreover, playing the long game often involves patience and the ability to withstand the temptation of immediate gratification. Wealth that lasts is rarely built overnight. It requires time, persistence, and a vision that extends well beyond the immediate horizon. So as we consider the monumental task of building $1 trillion net worth, reflect on the blend of luck, legacy, and long-term strategy. It's about positioning oneself in the trajectory of opportunity, building something that lasts, and always thinking about the future. Building $1 trillion net worth isn't just about making money, but making history. Becoming the world's first trillionaire is not just a dream, it's a monumental challenge. Let's reflect on the journey mapped out to reach this summit. Innovation stands as the cornerstone, demanding not just creativity but radical shifts in how we perceive and solve problems. It's about pioneering technologies or services that redefine the landscape of industries. Then there's the mastery of investment. Strategic and often bold financial decisions are crucial. focusing on opportunities that promise exponential growth. This isn't just playing the stock market, it's about becoming a visionary in capital deployment. We've also navigated through the complex currents of global economic trends. Understanding these provides a backdrop against which all other efforts are set, highlighting the importance of timing and market readiness. And let's not forget the roles of luck and legacy. Sometimes the winds of fortune unexpectedly propel us forward, while the legacy we build can sustain our achievements through time. Are you ready to take on the $1 trillion challenge? Remember, it's a blend of vision, strategy, and perhaps a little serendipity.